Natoma, Kansas. Natoma is a city in Osborne County, Kansas, United States. As of the 2020 census, the population of the city was 302. History. Natoma was established in 1888, named after an American Indian Railroad employee by a railroad officer. The name means newborn. The first post office had opened under the name Tapley in December 1878, but changed its name to Natoma in July 1890. Natoma was incorporated as a city in 1905. Geography. Natoma is located at 39,189,054 minus 99,24,832 at an elevation of 1834 feet. It lies in the Smoky Hills region of the Great Plains, approximately convert north of the Saline River. Paradise Creek, a tributary of the Saline, flows southeast along the southern edge of the city. Natoma is in north-central Kansas, approximately 135 miles northwest of Wichita and 230 miles west of Kansas City. Located on K-18, it is roughly 25 miles southwest of Osborne, the county seat. According to the United States Census Bureau, the city has a total area of 0.41 square miles, all of it land. 2010 census. As of the 2010 census, there were 335 people, 160 households, and 86 families residing in the city. The population density was 817.1 square miles. There were 229 housing units at an average density of 558.5 square miles. The racial makeup was 97.0% white, 0.9% African American, 1.2% Asian, and 0.9% from two or more races. Hispanic or Latino of any race were 2.1% of the population. There were 160 households, of which 25.6% had children under the age of 18 living with them, 40.0% were married couples living together, 8.8% had the female householder with no husband present, 5.0% had the male householder with no wife present, and 46.3% were non-families. 43.1% of all households were made up of individuals, and 18.8% had someone living alone who was 65 years of age or older. The average household size was 2.9 and the average family size was 2.86. The median age was 43.5 years. 23.3% of residents were under the age of 18, 6.1% were between the ages of 18 and 24, 23.1% were from 25 to 44, 21.9% were from 45 to 64, and 26% were 65 years of age or older. The gender makeup was 54.9% male and 45.1% female. 2000 census. As of the 2000 census, there were 367 people, 178 households, and 95 families residing in the city. The population density was 874.8 square miles. There were 244 housing units at an average density of 581.6 square miles. The racial makeup was 98.91% white, 0.27% Native American, 0.27% Asian, 0.27% from other races, and 0.27% from two or more races. Hispanic or Latino of any race were 1.9% of the population. There were 178 households, of which 25.3% had children under the age of 18 living with them, 46.1% were married couples living together, 3.4% had a female householder with no husband present, and 46.6% were non-families. 44.4% of all households were made up of individuals, and 21.3% had someone living alone who was 65 years of age or older. The average household size was 2.6 and the average family size was 2.88. 24.8% of the population were under the age of 18, 4.6% from 18 to 24, 25.1% from 25 to 44, 20.7% from 45 to 64, and 24.8% who were 65 years of age or older. The median age was 42 years. For every 100 females, there were 105.0 males. For every 100 females aged 18 and over, there were 100.0 males. The median household income was $24,091 and the median family income was $37,500. Males had a median income of $24,896 and females $22,083. The per capita income was $14,671. About 8.7% of families and 15.9% of the population were below the poverty line, including 13.7% of those under age 18 and 9.6% of those aged 65 or over. Events. The city holds a Labor Day celebration, which is its annual community festival, which includes a parade, barbecue, and other entertainment. Points of interest. Natoma Presbyterian Church, constructed in 1899, is listed in the National Register of Historic Places for its architecture. Education. Natoma is a part of Unified School District 399 Paradise Natoma Waldo. USD 399 has two schools in the city: Natoma Elementary School, grades K-6, Natoma High School 7-12. The Natoma Tigers have won the following Kansas State High School Championships: 1958 Boys Basketball Class B, 1959 Boys Basketball Class B, 1974 Boys Cross Country Class 1, and 1975 Boys Basketball Class 1, and 1982 Girls Basketball Class 1, and 2014 Boys Cross Country Class 1, and 2015 Boys Cross Country Class 1. Transportation. K-18, an east-west route, approaches Natoma from the west, then turns southeast along the eastern side of the city.